preparing for Web3 deployment in Pakistan, embracing decentralized finance beyond the traditional banking system as the world rapidly shifts toward decentralized finance, DeFi, and Web3 technologies. Pakistan stands at the brink of a financial revolution. The existing fiat-based banking system has served its purpose, but the future demands a more efficient, transparent, and inclusive financial ecosystem. This is where blockchain technology and digital assets come into play. The shortcomings of traditional banking in Pakistan. The current financial system in Pakistan faces significant challenges. 1. High transaction costs. Remittances and cross-border transactions incur heavy fees and delays. 2. Limited financial inclusion. Over 100 million Pakistanis remain unbanked, unable to access formal financial services. 3. Bureaucratic inefficiencies. Lengthy processes and paperwork hinder fast, seamless transactions. 4. Currency depreciation and inflation. Economic instability and devaluation of the Pakistani rupee, PKR, erode purchasing power. 5. Trust deficit. Many are skeptical of traditional banks due to hidden charges and lack of transparency. These challenges make traditional banking inefficient and often inaccessible to rural and underprivileged populations. Web3, the path to financial empowerment. Web3 represents the next evolution of the internet, a decentralized, trustless, and permissionless network where users own and control their data, digital assets, and identities. It's powered by blockchains, digital assets, and smart contracts. For Pakistan, Web offers financially inclusion for the unbanked. Digital wallets can be created easily, giving unbanked populations access to global finance, instant, low-cost transactions. Cross-border payments and remittances become fast, cheap, and borderless. Asset tokenization and smart contracts, enabling ownership and trade of real estate, agricultural products, and businesses through tokenization. Trust and transparency. Decentralized ledgers ensure tamper-proof, verifiable transactions. Inflation. Hedge and digital store of value. Cryptocurrencies offer a reliable alternative to unstable fiat currencies. The importance of acquainting with XRPL, Algorand, and HBAR to leverage the power of Web. Pakistan must become familiar with leading blockchain networks designed for speed, security, scalability, and efficiency. 1. XRP Ledger, XRPL. 1. Purpose. Primarily designed for fast, cost-efficient cross-border payments, near instant transactions, 3-5 seconds, with minimal fees, built-in decentralized exchange, DEX, and support for tokenized assets, ideal for remittances and micropayments. 3. Relevance to Pakistan. With millions of Pakistanis living abroad, XRPL can revolutionize remittance services, cutting costs and delays significantly. 2. Algorand. Algo. 1. Purpose. A high-performance blockchain focused on speed, security, and decentralization, processes thousands of transactions per second, TPS, with finality in under 5 seconds, built to support DeFi, NFTs, and tokenized assets. Environmentally friendly due to its pure proof-of-stake, PPOS consensus. 3. Relevance to Pakistan. Ideal for decentralized applications, DApps, microfinancing, and smart contracts. 3. Its low fees make it suitable for everyday payments and DeFi solutions. 3. Hedera Hash Graph, HBAR. 1. Purpose: a unique, non-blockchain distributed ledger technology offering enterprise-grade solutions, consistently handles 10,000 plus TS with low, predictable fees, provides enterprise solutions for digital identity, supply chain, and tokenization. Ultra-secure and fast consensus algorithm ensures fairness. 3. Relevance to Pakistan. Perfect for large-scale applications in supply chain management, financial services, and government services. What does Web3 deployment mean for Pakistan? By embracing XRPL, Algorand, HBAR, and similar technologies, Pakistan can create a self-sustaining digital economy where banks become unnecessary. Financial services can be provided directly through digital wallets and DeFi protocols. Agricultural and property ownership is tokenized. Farmers and landowners can tokenize crops, livestock, and land for investment. Businesses operate on smart contracts, reducing overheads, automating agreements, and ensuring instant payments. Microfinancing and P2P lending flourish, bringing credit access to rural communities. Pakistan becomes a global remittance hub. Overseas, Pakistanis can send money back home instantly and affordably. Steps to prepare for Web3 in Pakistan. 1. Education and awareness. Workshops, seminars, and online courses to demystify blockchain and Web3 technologies. 2. Government collaboration, advocating for regulatory clarity and adoption of digital assets and blockchain solutions. 3. Partnerships with blockchain projects, engaging with XRPL, Algorand, and HBAR for local pilot projects. 4. Incentivizing innovation, supporting startups working on DeFi, NFTs, and blockchain solutions. 5. Training and upskilling, preparing developers, entrepreneurs, and citizens to thrive in a Web3 economy. 6. Strategic investments, funding local Web3 projects and encouraging foreign investments. Join the Web3 revolution with DiscoverDeen-e-Islam at DiscoverDeen-e-Islam. We are committed to educating Pakistanis on Web3 technologies and building a future-proof economy. Stay tuned for workshops and educational content. Understand XRPL, Algorand, HBAR, and DeFi solutions, case studies, and success stories. Learn how Web3 solutions are transforming economies, community support and guidance. Connect with like-minded individuals, developers, and investors. Web3 project updates and pilots. See firsthand how blockchain can empower Pakistan. Subscribe now to Discover Deen-e-Islam and prepare yourself for the Web3 future in Pakistan, a future empowered by Web3. The Role of DiscoverDeen-e-Islam. Discover Deen-e-Islam envisions a digitally empowered Pakistan where Web3 technologies are accessible to everyone, from urban professionals to rural communities. As we explore the potential of XRPL, Algorand, HBAR, and other blockchain networks, our mission is to bridge the knowledge gap and provide the tools needed to thrive in this decentralized era. What to expect on our channel: Practical Web3 Insights. Our platform serves as a hub for education, guidance, and community support on blockchain technology. Our Web3-focused content includes 1. Step-by-step tutorials, setting up digital wallets and understanding how they work. transacting on XRPL, Algorand, and HBAR safely and efficiently, exploring DApps, decentralized applications for daily use, how to use DEXs, decentralized exchanges, and understand trading basics, creating and trading NFTs on platforms like XRPL and Algorand. 2. Deep dives in technical analysis, understanding the fundamentals of blockchain and distributed ledger technology, DLT, comparing web protocols to identify the best solutions for different use cases, security practices for protecting digital assets and avoiding scams, analysis of DeFi protocols, staking and yield farming. 3. Case studies and success stories, showcasing successful Web3 implementations in Pakistan and beyond. Stories of individuals and communities using blockchain for real-world impact. 4. Interviews and expert panels, conversations with blockchain experts, developers, and entrepreneurs, insights from local and international thought leaders on Web3's potential in Pakistan. 5. Guidance for businesses and entrepreneurs, how businesses can integrate blockchain for transparency, efficiency, and security, using smart contracts for automation and legal agreements, accessing global markets through digital assets and tokenization. Web3 for all, building a community of innovators at DiscoverDeen-e-Islam. We believe Web3 should be inclusive and empowering. Our platform offers opportunities for developers and programmers, connect with other developers, learn to build DApps, and contribute to blockchain projects. Entrepreneurs and startups, learn to launch Web3 businesses and tap into DeFi solutions. Students and researchers, access resources to study blockchain technology and its implications. Investors and enthusiasts, stay informed on market trends, investment opportunities, and digital assets. General public, gain a solid understanding of how Web3 will shape the future of finance and everyday life. How you can support the Web3 movement in Pakistan. 1. Engage and learn. Subscribe to DiscoverDeen-e-Islam and stay updated with the latest in Web3. Join discussions, attend workshops, and share insights with the community. 2. Promote awareness. Spread the word about Web3 solutions and their potential for Pakistan. Encourage businesses, communities, and individuals to explore blockchain. 3. Participate in pilot projects. Get involved in community-driven initiatives and projects that showcase Web3's potential. Test and give feedback on new applications and tools. 4. Support blockchain and education. Help us develop educational resources and train the next generation of Web3 developers. We sponsor training programs, workshops, and hackathons. The future is decentralized. Join us on this journey. Pakistan's journey into the world of Web3 is just beginning. With XRPL, Algorand, HBAR, and other blockchain networks, we can transform lives, enhance financial access, and drive economic growth. The future is decentralized, transparent, and empowering. Subscribe to DiscoverDeen-e-Islam and become part of the Web3 revolution today. Let's make Pakistan a global leader in blockchain and digital finance. The path forward, unleashing Pakistan's Web3 potential. The journey toward Web3 adoption in Pakistan is a transformative opportunity that requires collective effort, education, and strategic investments. By leveraging XRPL, Algorand, HBAR, and those other cutting-edge blockchains, Pakistan can lead the way in decentralized finance, tokenization, and digital identity solutions. A vision for a decentralized Pakistan. DiscoverDeen-e-Islam is committed to paving the way for a Web3-enabled Pakistan where 1. Every citizen can access financial services. Digital wallets replace traditional bank accounts, enabling fast, secure, and cost-effective transactions. Unbanked populations can access lending, savings, and insurance services through DeFi protocols. Its blockchain solutions facilitate transparent government aid distribution directly to beneficiaries. 2. Remittances become instant and affordable. Using XRPL's low-cost, fast transactions, overseas Pakistanis can send remittances home seamlessly. Cross-border payments and PP transfers bypass traditional intermediaries, reducing fees and delays. 3. Tokenized real estate and asset ownership. Real estate, crops, livestock, and other assets can be tokenized on Algorand and HBAR. Farmers and landowners can access collateralized loans by leveraging tokenized assets. Land registry systems become tamper-proof, transparent, and verifiable. 4. Microfinance and P2P lending. Revolutionized, blockchain-based microfinance solutions offer credit access to rural and underserved communities, and P2P lending enables direct support to small businesses and individuals without intermediaries. 5. Supply chain, transparency and efficiency. HBAR and Algorand can power end-to-end traceability for supply chains, reducing fraud and improving quality control. From farm to consumer, all stakeholders can verify the authenticity of goods. 6. Education, health, and governance transform. Decentralized digital identities provide secure access to educational, healthcare, and government services. Basic smart contracts enable automatic execution of agreements, such as scholarship, disbursements, and aid distribution. Government services are streamlined and transparent, reducing corruption and inefficiencies. Building a Web3 community in Pakistan. How you can get involved. 1. Become a Web3 advocate. Share the vision of a decentralized Pakistan and raise awareness in your community. Help others understand the benefits of blockchain technology and the future of finance. 2. Join DiscoverDeen-e-Islam's Web3 movement. Subscribe to our channel for comprehensive tutorials, educational content, and project updates. Participate in live sessions, webinars, and interactive workshops to expand your knowledge. 3. Support blockchain education and development. Encourage universities and institutions to incorporate Web3 and blockchain courses. Mentor, guide, or sponsor Web3 developers, entrepreneurs, and enthusiasts. 4. Collaborate on Web3 projects. Partner with us to launch pilot projects and community initiatives that showcase real-world applications. Develop DApps and solutions tailored to Pakistan's unique challenges. 5. Leverage blockchain for your business. Explore how your business can benefit from blockchain for payments, supply chains, or digital identity, and implement smart contracts for automation and streamline operations. A call to action. Let's shape Pakistan's decentralized future. DiscoverDeen-e-Islam believes that Web is not just a technology, it's a movement. It's a movement to redefine financial access, empower communities, and build a transparent, inclusive, and self-reliant Pakistan. The time to embrace Web3 is now. By educating ourselves, engaging in meaningful conversations, and exploring blockchain solutions, we can create a future where every Pakistani has the power of financial freedom, digital ownership, and economic opportunity. Subscribe to Discover Deen-e-Islam today. Stay updated on the latest advancements in the web. Learn how to use blockchain technologies and join us in unlocking a new era of digital empowerment in Pakistan. Let's transform Pakistan into a Web3 powerhouse, a nation where blockchain solutions drive economic progress, social impact, and financial inclusion. Together, we can build a future that empowers every Pakistani. The role of blockchain in Pakistan's financial independence. Discover Deen-e-Islam envisions a Pakistan where financial independence and empowerment are within reach for every citizen. Web3 technologies like XRPL, Algorand, and HBAR are not just innovations. They are tools for a self-sustaining economy that goes beyond traditional banking and fiat currencies, overcoming challenges and driving Web3 adoption for Pakistan. To truly benefit from Web3 solutions, several challenges must be addressed. Discover Deen-e-Islam aims to educate and guide individuals, businesses, and institutions through this transition by focusing on 1. Regulatory clarity and compliance. Collaborating with regulatory bodies to ensure legal compliance for blockchain and crypto activities, and promoting responsible usage of digital assets while adhering to anti-money laundering, AML, and counterterrorism financing, CTF measures. 2. Building digital literacy and awareness. Launching educational campaigns to simplify blockchain concepts for everyday users. Creating free and accessible courses on XRPL, Algorand, HBAR, and Web3 tools, translating key resources into Urdu and regional languages to reach rural communities. 3. Infrastructure development. Encouraging investment in blockchain and infrastructure to support decentralized applications. DApps. Promoting the use of low-cost, energy-efficient networks like Algorand and HBAR. Supporting hardware wallet solutions for safe and secure crypto asset management. 4. Encouraging local innovation and talent development. Organizing hackathons, developer bootcamps, and Web3 accelerator programs. And facilitating mentorship opportunities for aspiring blockchain developers and entrepreneurs. Partnering with universities and tech institutes to integrate blockchain studies. 5. Creating real-world use cases. Implementing blockchain-based solutions for government services, health, and education. Developing digital identity systems for the secure access to public services, and launching pilot projects in rural areas to showcase the potential of decentralized finance. DeFi. How Discover Deen-e-Islam can help you prepare for Web. Whether you're an individual, entrepreneur, or institution, Discover Deen-e-Islam can guide you in navigating the world of Web3 with confidence. Our platform offers 1. Educational content and tutorials. Understand how to create and manage crypto wallets on XRPL, Algorand, and HBAR. Learn to trade digital assets safely and protect against scams. Explore NFT creation and tokenization for art, property, and assets. 2. Community engagement and networking. Connect with like-minded Web3 enthusiasts, developers, and investors. Participate in discussions, AMAs, and knowledge-sharing sessions. Stay updated on upcoming events, meetups, blockchain summits. 3. Web3 business and investment guidance. Develop strategies for leveraging Web3 in business and investments. Access insights on staking, yield farming, and decentralized finance, DeFi, and understand how to tokenize assets and raise funds through initial coin offerings, ICOs. 4. Supporting local projects and startups. Partner with local Web3 initiatives and blockchain startups. Access funding and mentorship for Web3-focused businesses. We will showcase innovative DApps and blockchain solutions to the community. The time for Web3 in Pakistan is now, as Pakistan stands on the brink of a digital revolution. Embracing Web3 technologies will unlock immense potential for economic growth, financial inclusion, and digital empowerment. DiscoverDeen-e-Islam is here to educate, inspire, and equip Pakistanis to become leaders in the decentralized economy. Get ready to build, explore, and thrive in the Web3 era. Subscribe to Discover Deen-e-Islam today. Join our journey to reshape Pakistan's digital future and discover how blockchain and Web3 technologies can transform lives, businesses, and communities. Together, we'll create a new era of financial independence, technological innovation, and decentralized freedom in Pakistan.